Sandal Balls. This is half of the sachet. This is my jawi. It comes like this, it looks like this. For those of you that don't know what jawi is, this is how it looks like. And I'm going to grind it in my mortar because I'll be using it as in when it's in powdered form. I can't use it like this, so I have to grind everything. This is my mirsik. This is also called mox crystal. I saw it somewhere. This is how it looks like. Mirsik. It has a very nice scent. So nice, so nice. As in, I think it's basically used in every turaren water I've come across. This is lubban. This is how it looks like. It's kind of like milk or cream color. This lubban is in powdered form. Then these are the perfumes I'm going to use. Mix. I'm going to use mix. It's a Zamzam perfume. In my other videos, you hear me saying Kachal perfumes. They are the companies. This is Zamzam perfume. This company too is very nice. One of these is 1,500 naira. I sell them. So I will be using 3 different types, and I'm going to use them in this quantity. I'll be using them in this quantity. You need to get bottles like this. You have to measure everything, like everything must be in a certain quantity. You can't just use some things too much and some little. So I'll be using this. So I took part of the oils from the bigger ones. So these little ones are my let me say measuring bottles. Okay. And there is another thing I didn't show you guys. This sugar. I'll be needing sugar too in this sandal balls because sugar is very important. So I'll be using sugar too. I'm going to melt the sugar in. I'm going to melt the sugar. Sorry guys. I'll be melting the sugar with little water. I want the sugar to be like, how do I call it? In a syrup form, yes, like a sugar syrup. So I added little water and I'll turn that until it melts. I'll keep on stirring that until it melts. So when I was stirring, I later realized that there's another way I can do it without stressing myself, turning and turning sugar until it melts. So I just decided that okay, since there's another way, why not I just use the other way? I think it's better and it's easier. So I took the jawi powder out of the mortar. Yeah, I pounded it until it's in a powdered form. So I added sugar. Sugar to my mortar. I pounded the sugar because I know if I pound the sugar it will be soft. Instead of the one I So after pounding the sugar, I added it into my a little cup and then added water. I added water to it. Yeah, and then I just mixed it with the other one too. You see how the sugar looks like after pounding it. So Why the color of the sugar is like this is because I pounded jawi in the mortar before adding sugar. That's why the color is like this. So I did not add any color to the sugar. It's just the remnants of the jawi powder that made the sugar look like this. And after I pounded the sugar, I noticed that it's faster that way. So if you want to try this, just pound your sugar. It's faster that way. And then get your plates, something like this. If you want to use plastic, you can use, but preferably use something like this, because, or just get something that you will not wash later on. Just get an old plate, something like that. So I added the sandal powder. Added my sandal powder, and I left a little quantity. I don't know why, but I just left a little quantity. So this is my jawi. So I'm adding my jawi powder into the sandal powder. This is my jawi, and then
yeah.
so the I forgot to tell you guys that everything in this video, you're supposed to pound everything, especially those 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 ingredients that come in solid form, like in this kind of form. You are going to pound them so that they will be smooth, because everything needs to be smooth, you understand? So I forgot to pound my mirsik before before starting the process. So I just pounded my mirsik, and then I'll add my mirsik to my sandal powder. So this is my lubban. I'm adding my lubban into my mixture. This is this sugar that was remaining in my mortar, so I just added it to avoid wastage. And why I'm closing it here is because the scent is too strong, and I was having something like kata. Then I wasn't feeling too well when I made this video. So, and quick disclaimer, when you are making this, please wear a nose mask. The scent is too strong. It's too strong. I don't know, but I could not stand it. Maybe it was because I was sick then, but I had to use nose masks, and I still closed those things again. So my container here, I got a container where I mixed the oils, the three oils. You cannot just add the oils separately. No. You're going to get a container, add your oils together, shake it very well, shake it thoroughly, shake everything. Just shake it so that you can get a unique scent out of it. But when you shake and mix everything, you just made another oil of your own. You understand? So your your oil, you just have your own scent. That's your scent. So I also make So after shaking my oils, I mixed everything together. Please make sure you wear a nose mask so you will sneeze. You will sneeze. Wear your nose mask or face mask, anyone. Please wear it. Especially when you have something like catarrh or you're sick. See, this mixture can give you headache. Seriously, even if you are not sick, you get headache. The scent is too strong. It's too strong. So please close your nose when you are making this. I just that's just
Waga. Come on. Waga. Ayo. Come on. Stop. Ayo. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stop. What up? Stop. Waga.
so I'm adding my oils into this. Sorry, this is my sugar. The first sugar I mixed. This is it. You saw me adding the remnant. That's the powdered sugar. I added it to the sandal. I added the dry ingredients together. You're going to add the dry ingredients together because they are going to mix well. Then this is my oil. The oil I mixed, and so when I mixed the oil at the beginning, I later noticed that that quantity I um that quantity I measured was very little. I noticed that it was very little, so I added oils on my way. I added oil. I mixed it, and you're not going to use spoon to mix it. You have to put your hand into it and mix it because everything is not going to mix well. I added oil and I added yeah, I just added oils. I'm sorry, I lost a clip of when I was mixing the video. When I was mixing the sandal flakes with my hand at the beginning, I mixed it. I wet my hand a little with little water and then I started mixing it. So after mixing everything for like let me say for like a minute, I rubbed some oil on my hand, just a little oil on my hand, and then I rolled everything because it's wardrobe ball, so it needs to be in ball shape. You understand? So I rolled everything, and then this is the end product. As in, if you could perceive the scent from this, You can, and for those of you that want to sell it, you can sell this ball. Let me not lie to you. You're not going to sell this cheap because the products used are not cheap. So for a ball, you can sell a ball for nothing less than um I don't know how you're going to. It depends on the products you use, like the amounts you use in buying the and the quantity. These black wardrobe balls, I made them earlier, but I did not use sandal powder. I what I did is that I went to the market and I bought some woods and then I grinded them into powdered form. You understand? So I then mixed them with sandal powder, and then I used there is an oil, mirsik oil. It's black in color. The oil is black, so that's why the other one is like that. But this one is pure sandal balls, and you know sandal is expensive. Sorry guys, my voice is so. So what you're going to do is just roll it and then add them to your container and sell this. If you want to sell, if you want to use it for your home, you can use it for your home. But seriously, guys, I sold it. I sold it in 24 hours. These sandal balls, I sold them in 24 hours because the scent. See, the scent, the scent, the scent. Let me not emphasize too much, but I just want you guys to try this. Try this exact. Try this trial water and enjoy what everybody else is enjoying. You know, everybody is like wardrobe balls, wardrobe balls. You can try this with from the comfort of your home, and so that's the end of the video. These are the pictures, the aftermath of my sandal balls. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and have a nice day. See you next time. Bye.